Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Encanto Deluxe espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water tank sensor, the one that you see right here. This is the older one that is connected to the board all the way here and into the water tank. We also rerouted it, so make sure that it doesn't touch any of the boiler or anything like that. And what else we did on this? We also replaced the tank, the seal of the water tank, the one that is located. Can we see it? Right there. This one on the bottom. As it was leaking a lot and just making a big mess of water. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Let me just get some beans in here and we'll be right back. Perfect, I got my little container of beans over here and we already have a couple in the grinder. So let's start with one shot of espresso. Perfect. Alright, pre-infusion right there. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good crema falling at the top. And I'm gonna manually stop it here as it's programmed to have for a bigger container. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso, working really great. No error of machine is not asking anymore for the water tank or anything like that. Working great.
Okay, very disappointed.
Now for the steam. As the thermostat just heats up, the steam will get activated, the water pump start forcing, and we see steam coming out through here. As you can see, quite a lot of steam. That's really great. Working perfectly. And there you have it, Saeco Encanto Deluxe First Class working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.